Madden, are you stuck in the snow? Okay, you can get him up if you want. Hey! Hey! Can you walk? Kind of, huh? Mac.
Mac.
Hey.
Mac.
Come.
Madden, you stay out of his way.
You are fast, Mac. You are fast. You are fast.
Mac.
Remember how quick he was in that that dog course, that
I know.
dog lure? He's quick.
Do you want to get back in the snow?
Rocky was pretty quick too. I bet she couldn't do that now though. That's just what, 2 years?
Yeah.
2 years they age pretty fast. Did you get that one?
Yeah. You can't get back up. Madden, come back this way.
That was perfect.
I'm shaking.
No.
Come on, this way. Oh, you're gonna come back? Kevin. Say Mac.
He walks like he has no knees.
I know.
I don't think he's bent his knees.
Hey! He likes being outside. You're gonna fall if you go on that down slope. Mac? Kevin?
What? What?
He's over there somewhere, okay.
See?
Say Mac.
Does Riley do work on Sundays?
He's got drill this weekend.
He likes to chase Mac around.
It's like somebody hit him in the side of the head with a snowball. Like that looks like.
You hear him? You know, he might go down again. Mac? Mac loves the snow.
Jump over that rock. That's cool, huh?
Go get him, Mac. Go get him. Something new, huh, Madden?
You got it.
Mac.
I did.
He looks like a deer, huh?
Come on, Mac.
Oh, no. Face first. Was it in the snow?
Yeah. Oh. I think it. I don't think it got on his face though, because I think I missed it just barely.
Come on.
Got snow all over your front of your.
Mac, come on. Let's go.
That's what the hat's for, huh?
Yeah.
Careful.
Down there too. I bet you can make a good snowball out of this.
Madden. Oh, okay. Oh, that.